The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Kaizer Chiefs is betheleke Orbit College namhlanje Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium. A home game Orbit. Obviously, Tatiwe Yasua on the other side of the province. From north, Yasiwa southeast, yodlala phake Gqeberha, Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium. Into engajwayelekanga so iteam isuke northwest iyodlalela closer to the beach. But country. It's all about money. If someone says, no, come and play your home game here, we'll give you a couple of millions. Obviously, everyone will jump, especially a team like Orbit. But namhlanje, results as yambanga kwendlela bebenqwenela ngalo. Baqale bakora so, and everyone thought, mhlawumbe they might get something kumdlalo namhlanje. But Kaizer Chiefs yabuya back egamini babonisa ukuthi who are the big boys. So, mandikubulise kunjani mhlekazi?
Angibulise Mr. Nkewu. Ngibulise Stizi, ngibulise chairman my chairman. Nomhlekazi omhle.
Letso.
Ongasubhupha ngecawe.
Hayi leche.
Ngibulise nane emakhaya ngicela support njalo iDiski TV. Ngizobe nje njalo ngijike futhi.
Letso. Kaizer Chiefs 3 out of 3. Remember their last lost Betway Premiership. They lost against Richards Bay. But emveni gogo bazibonakalisa. Ngokuthi babetheke iMagesi, they beat Durban City, and now they've just beaten Orbit College, making it 3 out of 3, and now baku position 3. Kaizer Chiefs position ke ebaxelayo ukuthi next season they might go there again, kwiCAF Confederations Cup, but masingene kumdlalo namhlanje.
Well done to Kaizer Chiefs. 3 out of 3, and they've got the 3 points, but number 3. Yeah. No, those numbers are very important.
Yeah.
So that people buzz with where is Kaizer Chiefs standing. Shane, you know, I'm gonna say this, and I want people to hear me, not in a bad way. There's no way you can go and buy experience. You need to earn it. The difference between Kaizer Chiefs and Orbit today was that edge of Kaizer Chiefs players, that some of them individually, they are better than the Orbit players. Because you could see some, look at the goals, the mistakes that, actually, I'll start with the mistake that the goalkeeper of Orbit made, where Ulontuzana Umtu was supposed just to pass the net. And you had 2 defenders that were covering Umtu. Where are you going? It tells you about experience. Again, look at the goal that Umtu scored. Utuba made a run. As he made that run, the 2-3 defenders, they were following him. But now he has an open land here. Then to capitalize on that, he went to that space. Again, the third goal again. Look at how Silva made the run. That run of Silva, he took 3 defenders with him, and then he laid here. In that open space, in that island again, that you ask yourself that, but you guys, whatever movement that needs to happen here, but your positions should be this way. Where was the center back there? Where was the another center back? Where was the right back this side? Where was the defensive midfielder? That is following Ukacheni from that midfield. Yeah. We learn in this game, and unfortunately, when a man is down in this game, you need to kick him. That's what Kaizer Chiefs they did. And take it away from Orbit. I think they started well. And, the experience, I think also the coach, the experience did catch up with him because, Shaney, you are leading 1-0. You need to look at the opponents. There are 2 center backs. They've got 2 yellow cards. Keep on putting pressure on them.
Wenzani ngalonto because
Put
we had
pressure.
that conversation while the game was ibiqhubeka. We had that conversation ukuthi iOrbit bonakala ngathi baya defender so but nakule defending bayenzayo iKaizer Chiefs they are still finding spaces even though they are defending and the analysts before even the coach, I also like to question the analysts. Analysts is the team. Okay, those two guys they have yellow cards.
Yeah.
Why don't you put pressure on Mhlawumbi there?
You know, Shane, that's why I was even said after time that you've got a technical team. Where's that awareness? Because I remember that when you've got this technical team, the other one needs to watch the opponents. The other one needs to watch also our team to say, oh, we're doing well here. Okay. And then the other one says, no, man, the Kaizer Chiefs, these two center backs, they've got two yellow card, two of them. So why don't we put pressure on them? Instead of bringing everyone at the back. Because when you bring everyone at the back, those guys are saying thank you very much. Because if it was another team was going to put pressure on them, they were going to make fouls, then it was going to force the technical team of Kaizer Chiefs to make the subs. But now, Coach Pokisho, he made it easier for Kaizer Chiefs to really come to the party. He made that defense to relax because after that, even inside of second half, maybe about 5-10 minutes, they look like, they wanna go. But now the thing is that they were not pumping those balls to force that Msimang and Aiden to have that contact with the player so that anything is possible, So, Shane, I think he just missed it there, and his technical team and the analyst team, if he's got the analyst team, I think they let him down because I cannot blame him for everything. He's got assistants that they need to come to the party, come to help him to say, Coach, here's a thing here. Let's capitalize on this. Instead of bringing everyone up, we rather say to the midfielders, come compact. Let's leave the two up front. 1v1. Go to Aiden, go to Msimang. Now we're going to do that. We're going to force the single team of Kaizer Chiefs to say, hey, we're going to be in trouble. If now they only wait for one action and see that almost we made a foul. So now, no, we need to take this one out. We need to take this one out. Then we're going to be left without two neutral center backs. Then we was going to give an advantage to Obit.
Kaizer Chiefs talk you could see their forwards. For example, Uduba.
Yeah.
He played so close to as a centre back Z2 Obit, especially Mphahlele, because I think Mhlambi uzicela ukuthi ngepace angamshiya. That's where igoal yakhe ivele khona because it was a tight space. He was very close to the defender, but he managed to take a shot and it was a goal. But for Obit, what do you think bona uza kulo mdlalo wanamhlanje weKaizer Chiefs? Ucela ukuthi ba identify ndoni as a weakness eKaizer Chiefs kumdlalo namhlanje?
Shane, to be really honest, I'll be lying. I'll be lying to you if I would say there was a specific plan.
Yeah.
I'll be lying.
Like your homework mhlawumbe bona ukuthi wayenzile.
No, I'll be lying. The only thing was to them is let's go, let's run at them. Let's go and run at them. Maybe something will happen. They got a set piece. Well done, good goal with the header. But please, Foma, you can't. No. No. You at this level, you can't. You in that pole. Maybe if that boy headed far post. Then I would say no.
But near post.
No ways. And you could see how he tries to handle the ball. It tells you, Naivuma, sometimes you end up questioning some basics things from the keeper to say, but it's a basic thing. Put your body there next to the pole. Let the ball hit you in the face if it dares to hit you. But there's no way that the ball can pass you. But the Obit, there's a lot that needs to be done at Obit, and I hope because when you've got a relationship with the person, you don't want to see that person going down. So I hope maybe they will find a way to survive. Because there are some other teams that I think they can get something out of that. But you need more. You cannot dwell or hope that with the physical part, my players are fit, then you think that you're going to win games. But sometimes you don't need players that are fit. You need players that are intelligent. You know, they're intelligent, they can think, they can, out of nothing, they create something, and then you get something out of that. But other than that, no ways.
Players like yourself, Mr. So, players that can think, players who are smart. I mean, you knew that. I mean, you're not the all-time leading goal scorer of a certain club from Soweto by mistake. But that's it, namhlanje. Kaizer Chiefs is betheleke Orbit, Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium. Bohlaleke number 3 namhlanje. We win at their 3rd consecutive game, scoring more than 2 goals namhlanje, winning by 3 goals to 1. Manqaku namhlanje Kaizer Chiefs biwathule 13. Izenzele itheko kwi-Orbit College. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.